All right, on the bench, we got here the Impulse 32 that went through a bad accident. We repaired the hull. We got some parts for it, and we're gonna install them. Cooling lines, motor mount, ESC, motor, all the original Proboat transom hardware. Flex cable, stinger, rudder. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we had some lunch, installed some parts. Got the ESC in here, got the receiver. The motor we got available was a little too short. It's a 3660. This boat takes a 3674. But we installed all the transom hardware. Next we'll put the right motor in, get the graphics kit on.